Okay, so I did promise to show you how ChatGPT or Claude works. Um, so we won't need to have an engineering degree to understand AI. Everything that we do pretty much is AI inspired. So we're going to explain how to effectively work with AI by treating it as a communication partner rather than something overly technical. You're pretty much providing some sort of input into the AI model, ChatGPT or Claude, and then it's going to process the information and give you an output, right? So we're breaking down the process into four simple steps. You're going to provide your rough notes, like I said, whatever it is that you've instructed ChatGPT or Claude to do, then they'll do it. It's going to provide you with some sort of professional output, and then you're going to review it and determine if this is what you want to say. Dependent on your audience, you're able to say, hey, change this information to suit beginners um, for the AI automation tool. And the main message that I want to convey today is that AI doesn't replace what you're thinking, it helps to save you time by turning your ideas into something that is polished. And it does that real quickly. It reduces the repetitive work and it also improves your level of productivity. All right, so no technical jargons were identified in this video, no overwhelming technical details. It's just a practical application that you're able to utilize, and I'll go further in depth in some more tools in our next session. Bye.